So what we're trying to do is enhance that informed consent process. Why is it important? Well, we can look at it from 3 different perspectives. So from the health system's perspective, informed consent is essential in order to meet compliance and regulatory requirements, as well as protect the organization legally. So from the organization's perspective, they must have copies of those consent forms signed prior to those procedures being performed. They must also have, to meet CMS's requirements, they must also have, in Joint Commission, a defined process and the appropriate content on those forms. So it is clearly important for the health system. From the physician's perspective, informed consent protects the physician from litigation in several different ways. It is crucial, and the physician is ultimately responsible for making sure that informed consent is obtained. So then we look from the patient perspective. The patient is, it's really an education process for the patient and the family to make a crucial decision that for one's own care from typically that one conversation, because patients aren't typically trained in medicine and don't have an extensive knowledge of procedures and risks and alternatives. So that one conversation is going to inform them to be able to make the decision whether to move forward with that procedure or not. So it's really a process and an important conversation between the physician and the patient. And any way that we can make that conversation more effective and easier for both, a better experience, that's really what we're after. And you know, as the healthcare industry realizes this, forward-thinking organizations are really focusing on how they can make that better. How can they make the education process that much more effective? So Capture is going to support those efforts and provide from all 3 perspectives benefits and make that process that much better.